Model, 66-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L3H2130 None Runner Head Gasket 65k miles VAT inclusive Euro 6. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 65,193. Engine, 1997 CCD-10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,295 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.